Hey guys, we're with Adrian, who's going to be on the crew of the M60 for the Remembrance Day Parade down in Oshawa. Adrian, can you tell us a bit about what you have to do to prepare the vehicle?
Well, sure. If you want to follow us, we're just going to check the oil, make sure it's gassed up so everything goes smooth, and just clean it up a little bit.
Okay, right, thanks.
Right.
Yeah, this is an American tank, so it's the M60 A3. Okay, so we're just going to check the oil on the M60 here. So here's our oil cap. So flick that guy up, and rag ready, and then it's this big long dipstick here. Take an accurate reading. Usually this is done at idle, but there's a couple different marks we check here. So we've got lots of oil, so we're not concerned about not starting here, but if you check, see how it says engine stopped, safe to start. So if we're in that area there, we're ready. And then once we're running, we've got a hot mark and a cold mark, and then there's an idle range and an add mark. So they've kind of covered all our bases there. So we're good on oil. Probably need to do an oil change this season. This one's a lot easier to get to.
Yeah.
It's right here.
Okay.
This is our transmission oil. Again, this one's really supposed to be done while running, but we'll just check it and make sure we've got oil in there. So yeah, it looks like we've got lots of oil. But again, it changes once we're running at idle. And you can, I don't know if you can see there on the stick, it says add and full at engine idle. So there we go. And that's good. We'll of course check it tomorrow when it's outside, or Monday rather.
Yep.
Oh yeah, the actual reason we came here, fuel. So watch your feet, guys. So, here is our fuel cap, which, luckily for us, once you take the pin out, it actually just comes right off. Okay. So we'll get this ready, and then we'll go get some fuel. We'll go get some fuel. Alright, so this is where we fill the actual fuel for the fuel tank, but you can fill it from the other side, approximately the same location. It's actually got like a wire across the cap, and that is pretty much just for emergencies when you're stuck out in the field and you can't get at this one, because the fuel tank actually spans from this side of the vehicle to the other side, going underneath the engine. And they're connected by what's called the butterfly valve. That way, if you're on a hill, either way, you can still suck up fuel for the engine. I think it takes about 300 gallons. Could be wrong on that one. Obviously, we didn't put 300 gallons in it, but it's already got fuel in it. So there we go. All right, so hopefully fuel. I don't know if they're going to bring like a fuel bowser or a fuel truck on Monday, but this is just in case. We should be all right. We won't be going off-road. Pin locks it back into place there. We're all good.